Today, on this day, in the afternoon, information got to the officials of LSK Southwest, the chairman, our chairman, Ben Gichana, the Secretary General, Maiche, and the organizing secretary, Oremo. They were called to the Kisii County Land Registry for the sole purpose that there was a funny character who had been in the land registry with some particular persons or clients, and he was representing or presenting himself as an advocate admitted and practicing in Kisii in matters of conveyancing. The swift action of the leadership of the LSK Southwest swung into action and got to the office of the land registrar, Mr. Charles Ayenda. After initial and preliminary questioning and sending particular question to the suspect, he failed to produce his practicing certificate and all other credentials for any person who's admitted and practicing an advocate in Kenya. The matter was reported at Kisii Central Police Station, and the person who is now a suspect in police custody is the one who the leadership and the membership of LSK have walked with to the office where he has been practicing as Omariba and company advocate.
When we reached there, we found Atman, who was seated in the office of the land registrar. He claimed to have been a lawyer. When he saw us, he changed and claimed that he's a clerk in a law firm. So we witnessed and saw the documents that he had witnessed. He had a number of documents, including the land sale agreement, the transfer forms, and the application for consent from the land control board. So he had signed a number of documents. He was not able to identify himself. So we were forced to take action. We called the police officers from Kisii police station who arrested him and took him to the police station.
But I want to say that the masqueraders and the unqualified persons who are practicing among us advocates as qualified persons, they have no place amidst us. They erode the trust the public have in us, and this is a classical example of how they are eroding the trust the public have in us. This is a client who did obligations, paid the money, even paid the stamp duty in March, and up to date there is no transfer in the land transactions, and that is why we swung into action.
Egento tete gotebia abantu baitongeringa ki baerende mono na abantu barase tauni yaito ya Bosongo ne chinse mochietanaine abu bago kora chiobisi ao gaiga bagotebanga na abawakili bari ekero kogenda so muwakili ebori boronge nga eobisi eyo umuwakili na aroro obwate license orago korregasi ribagora anyoro umuntu orakurianani naende osirichi besa naende tonyore service goikerega na tokogamba iga twikire bakase chiobisi ya sago tebanga na bakoregasi twanyore nge obisi ine siekire abaskari abanyanyimbo babikirwa aroro bagochikolenda eobisi paka mambi ekero umuntu oyo iga ukagire gukora mangana aya ara ikigwese kagambiro gya Kisii local bande bonsi bali bagokora mangana yo gotebanga na abawakili bari se tauni ya Bosongo ne chinse mochietanaine tiga manyenga bono oburayi bwasoire no burayi bungao ngoja torese chiobisi na chiobisi chonsi pichiko tebanga ne chibranch chaba wakili njitake ire kisheria chitware an associate advocate go practice